Hello! Welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we will take you behind the scenes to discover how field harvested carrots are processed in the factory. Let's dive right in. Carrots thrive in loose, well-drained soil. A carrot planter machine typically prepares the ground by removing rocks and debris and then tilling the land to create a fine texture. Carrot seeds are sown in rows, ensuring proper spacing to allow room for growth and easy harvesting. Once the carrots have reached maturity, they are ready to be harvested. Harvesting equipment such as carrot harvesters is used to collect the crops efficiently. These machines are specifically designed to gently lift the carrots from the soil without causing damage. The carrot harvesters are equipped with picking mechanisms, typically rotating belts or blades with rubber flanges. As the machine moves forward, these belts gently lift the carrots from the ground. While the flanges prevent them from rolling back, this process ensures a clean and efficient harvest. After the carrots are lifted from the soil, the machine employs various separation techniques to remove excess soil and any green parts, such as leaves or stems. Conveyor belts and vibrating screens are used to shake off the loose soil, while air blowers effectively remove lighter debris. Once the carrots are separated from the soil and plant debris, they are carefully transferred from the harvesting machine to the tractors. These tractors transport the freshly harvested carrots from the field to the factory for further processing. Upon arrival at the factory, the trucks carrying the harvested carrots are unloaded outside the factory. The carrots are then stored in designated containers that are positioned along the conveyor belt, forming an organized line for efficient processing. Forklifts are utilized to transport the containers filled with carrots to the washing room of the factory. This ensures a smooth and timely flow of the product through various stages of the processing line. In the washing room, the carrots undergo a thorough cleaning process. Carrots are removed from their containers and placed in a tank filled with water to remove sand and soil layers and clean them. Specialized machines are used which employ a combination of water jets and rotating brushes to remove dirt, debris, and any remaining traces of soil from the carrot surface. These specialized machines are highly efficient and ensure that the carrots are thoroughly cleaned. The water jets create a powerful force that dislodges any stubborn dirt particles, while the rotating brushes gently scrub away any remaining traces of soil. This meticulous cleaning process guarantees that carrots are free from any impurities. The use of these advanced machines not only saves time and effort, but also maintains the quality and freshness of the carrots. To maintain the freshness and extend the shelf life of the carrots, they are treated with a warm water and medicine mixture. This treatment helps to release any remaining bacteria, ensuring that the carrots stay fresh for longer. Additionally, the warm water and medicine mixture also aids in preserving the vibrant color and crisp texture of the carrots. Eliminating harmful bacteria minimizes the risk of spoilage and maintains their nutritional value. This innovative technology not only enhances the overall quality of the carrots, but also provides consumers with a longer window to enjoy their natural sweetness and earthy flavor. Moreover, this treatment process aligns with modern food safety standards, ensuring that the carrots reach consumers in a safe and healthy condition. Then the carrots are put on the line of the sorting room through the steel net conveyor, where the carrots pass through the line in front of the workers. The workers separate the carrots according to their size and place them in individual containers. Skilled workers meticulously remove any damaged or discolored carrots, ensuring only the finest specimens make it to the market. This meticulous process guarantees that only the best carrots reach our tables, providing us with a fresh and flavorful addition to our meals. Then the carrots are sent to the cutting line. In the cutting line, a special machine is used to cut the top of carrots. Additionally, the green part of carrots, such as the top or the leaf, is removed by the machine. The machine efficiently separates the green parts from the edible parts of the carrot, resulting in a clean and ready-to-use product. After cutting the carrots, they are transported to the washing station. Then these carrots are put inside a water tank through a conveyor. Here they undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove any dirt or impurities. Carrots are washed and rinsed multiple times to ensure optimal cleanliness. Once cleaned, the carrots move to the cutting area, where carrots are further processed based on their intended use. They are cut by machine into specific pieces, such as sticks or cubes. This process adds versatility to the final product, as the carrots can be conveniently used in a variety of culinary applications. On the other hand, some cleaned carrots are directed to a different process. They are fed into a grinding machine, which grinds them to a fine consistency. The resulting minced carrots are then placed in large bowls, ready to be used in dishes where a fine texture is desired, such as salads or sauces. After that, the packaging starts. In the factory packing room, the whole carrots are carefully inspected for quality and sorted according to size. Each worker diligently places the carrots into sturdy paper boxes, ensuring that they are neatly arranged and properly aligned. The workers handle each carrot with precision and care, making sure to avoid any damage or bruising during the packing process. Once a box is filled, it is sealed securely to maintain freshness and prevent any contamination. And they are labeled with essential information such as types of carrots packed, their weight, and expiration dates. Some carrots are packed in polythene packets, and the air is removed from the polythene by machine, so the carrots stay fresh for a long time and no bacteria can grow. This packaging method ensures that the carrots remain crisp and flavorful, maintaining their natural color and texture. By removing the air, the polythene packets create a protective barrier against moisture and oxygen, preventing spoilage and extending the shelf life of the carrots. Now all the carrots are ready for sale in the market. And there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how carrots are processed